Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah rabbil alamin. Bihi nasta'in ala umurid dunya waddin. Wassalatu wassalamu ala asyrafil anbiya'i wal mursalin wa ala alihi wa ashabihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. All praise to Allah Subhanahu wa ta'ala who has given us mercies and blessings so we can be in good condition in every situation. May peace and salutation to our don't forget salawat and salam to our Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, who has guided from the darkness to the brightness. Okay, guys, come back again with me. In this video, I will tell you how to block ping and block access telnet and yes, tell you about that. But before that, I wanna remind the explainer what about firewall and the benefit of firewall, chain forward, input, output. Okay. Microtik, there is a feature, namely firewall. This firewall such as a filter, rule, NAT, Mangle, layer 7 protocol, and firewall can regulate who can connect to Microtik or a system designed to prevent, warn, access from or into an internal network software that is used to maintain the security of private network. By blocking unauthorized access to or from and to run this feature properly, you must add the appropriate rules such as chains. What's chains? So chains are a rule to determine the type of traffic that will be executed by Microtik. The chain itself has 3 types, namely forward, input, and output. What benefits firewall? Benefit of firewall, there is a 4. First, prevent something suspicious to the system. The second, prevent information from being stolen. The third, creating a security system. And 4, monitoring all active or running service. Okay. Now I say chain there is 3 types, namely forward, input, and output. Okay. Input used to process data packet traffic that enters the routers to router from client through interface on the router and has an IP address destination in the form of an IP phone. On the routers, this type of traffic can come from a public network or a local network with the destination of router itself. For example, chain input example is when we access winbox, access Microtik with winbox, telnet, or webfig. Yes. The second, namely chain output, used to process packet traffic coming out of the router. In other words, it is the opposite of input. Opposite of input. So traffic originating from within the router itself, with the aim of the public network or a local network. For example, from the new terminal, we ping to Google. We ping to Google. Ping Google. Like this. Google. Wait. Like this. Ping. Why time out? Because in my Wi-Fi there is a security, but hotspot. Okay. Something sample. Then chain can be captured in the output chain. Okay. The last, chain forward, used to process data packet traffic that only pass to the router. For example, traffic from a public network to a local or vice versa from a local network to public network. For example, when we browsing something, yeah, browsing something. Okay. I will tell you how to block ping. And the first step, you must click menu IP. Then you click firewall, and you click add. After you click add, you feel the chain is input. Because why? Because ping from client, the traffic data packet, the destination is a router ping, and you must know what the protocol ping or what the protocol browsing is. And protocol, what protocol ping is, that is ICMP. And then action is that will be executed business. After you make a configuration like this, you need an action like this, and block, action block, that is drop, and then you click apply and okay. You type Gemde. Gemde is a command prompt application for ping. We can ping from Gemde. This is cell I, command line interface. You type ping and you type IP address router. Okay, 192. This is IP address router me. 168 and 881. and later Theo request timeout because why? Because action the action we this is drop. If I change to be accept, you can see what the what happened. Replay from. Okay. Okay. We next how to block a telnet. Telnet. In the previous the previous lab, you already know how to block ping. Just now you already know how to block ping. Then so in this lab, I will tell you how to block telnet. Mm, This this lab can be useful for managing clients. Can only use winbox or webping. Okay. First, you click add, and then you to tap general. Then the chain is input because the traffic data packet the what the router and source address you fill IP address uh, you can fill the source address and or not that is up to you. You can fill or not, but I wanna fill uh, 182.168.88.20 for uh, this is IP address my laptop. If you want to see IP address your laptop, you can type Windows R and then later you type control panel and then you choose network and sharing center and then you click Ethernet this and then you can see details or if you want change you can click properties and then you click internet protocol version 4 TCP IPv4 you double click and then you can change in this. Okay, if like this. Now the protocol is telnet that is TCP. Okay, the action we need drop because we want to block access telnet. So the client later only can use microtik with webfig or winbox. Well, you read like this, then you click operate. Okay. Nah, we use command prompt, but the syntax different. You can typing telnet and then you type IP address your microtik. One and one. Later he just connecting to like this buffering, this buffering, and then later you cannot open. After that, okay, uh, maybe enough. Thank you for listening. Last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.